Hello everybody over at Arrow Roofing and Sheet Metal Inc. My name is Hannah from Dreamweaver Designs, and I'm making this video for you guys today to give you some tips on how you can start ranking above your competitors and start bringing in more traffic online and really dominating the roofing competition in the Portland area. So, I pulled up your website, and I do have to say, first off, I like the layout. It's very nice. Your website's got good bones. I did, however, notice that your website isn't secure, and I highly recommend fixing this. It's a really cheap fix, only like 99 bucks a year. And mainly you want to make sure it's secure just so that everybody's information that they put in here on your website is safe and protected. Another thing I noticed is there's not a lot of content on here, and Google likes to see content. They are content fiends. It's like gold to them. And in Google's eyes, the average homepage should be anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words. And I'm seeing probably just under 100 here. So adding more content on your services that you provide and a little bit about who you guys are as a business will definitely add to your ranking. Another thing you can do too is save your images. So when you save your images, see how it says slide 1-12-14? We can save them as keywords so that Google crawls these photos and is ranking your photos as keywords. And when we add our content, we want to make sure that it's keyword rich content, right? So I pulled up your competitors here. They are at the top of the Google My Business right now, and you can see that their website's alright. It's, got a little more content, but all in all, it's nothing really special. I think they are truly very easily, you could outrank them, no problem. But you notice they are saving their keywords or their images as keywords as well. So you see it says commercial roofing. I'm pretty sure this one is residential roofing. Yeah. So, but like I said, they're definitely beatable. Here's a tool I like to use called Ahrefs, and I plug your website and the competitor's website into here, and it just tells me a little bit about your website. Your rank with Ahrefs is 22,191,000, and let's see, you got 298 backlinks, 52 referring domains, 50 organic keywords, and from that you're getting 35 people per month traffic wise. And in here we can look at your keywords and see which ones you are ranking for. So Arrow Roofing, that's a good one. We could try ranking up for that, so you're getting more of those 500 a month search. And let's see what else you got. A lot of these are name-based, brand-based searches, which is fine. But we want to also make sure that we're adding service keywords as well. So like the roofing sheet, that would be a good one. We try maybe ranking up on that to get some of those. Metal sheet roofing, that's a really good one. So try maybe ranking up on that as well. And also what we can do is we can go to your competitors and see what keywords they're using. And then take those, the high search volumes, theirs are a little more broad based as far as services go. Roofing Portland, Roofers Portland, and we can add these as well to yours to help you start getting a little higher up in that search results. Another thing I want to go over with you guys is backlinks. So a backlink is pretty much just another website referring back to your website. And an important thing to note is that not all backlinks are created equally. You're going to get a lot more link juice, is what we call it, from relevant or similar websites backlinking to yours. So like if you did a project with another roofing company and you guys were referring backlinks to each other, that would be a good strong backlink. Something like Pizza Hut probably would not be the best to be adding to your website, considering you guys don't sling pizzas for a living. But if we look here, it says you guys have 298 backlinks and your competitors have 122,000 backlinks. And that may seem like a lot, but in reality, it's not too bad. We can go in here and we can look at their backlinks, and we don't need all of these backlinks because obviously all of these backlinks aren't getting them points. We want to go with the do follow because those are the ones that are helping them rank. And we can take these, compare and contrast, and see which ones that you don't have on here and add these to your website as well. Because if they're good enough to link to Cascade Roofing, then they're good enough to link to your site as well, right? And so that right there, those two things are going to help you rank organically in the Google search, which is let's see here, roofing company. That's going to help you rank organically down here below the Google My Business. So that's all this down here. And that brings us to our last topic, which is the Google My Business. In order to rank here, you have to rank organically down here on the first 1 to 2 pages. Also, if you notice, I'll pull up your competitors. On their Google My Business, they have their name, their address, and their phone number. And that's what we call NAPS, or another word is citation. And what you want to do is you want to get your citation out in as many directories across the web as you can think of. So Yelp, Facebook, Yext, all of those. And you want to add it exactly how it is on your Google business card so that you get credit for it. A tool I like to use is called Whitespark. We can plug in your competitors here into Whitespark and see all the directories that they're listed in across the web, and we can add yours to all of those directories as well to help you rank. Another thing that will help you rank here is making sure that your Google My Business card is fully filled out. So all your services, make sure you have reviews, and pictures as well. And yeah, all of those things, if you start implementing them today, will get you ranking in no time. So with that being said, I hope you guys like this video and the tips and tricks I gave you. I hope you use at your own discretion. If you guys like this video, please shoot me a message so we can chat, and I would love to hear your feedback on what you thought. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a good day.